was born and bred in Wolverhampton. It's my city, my town. I've lived in the same house for 36 years. I think faith is a bit like instructions. It gives you peace to use those instructions in your daily life. I just think that being a human being is an unbelievable privilege. And we should use the abilities which we have.
My children are now 17 and 12, and they've both been involved with the first Finchfield Scout Group. The Scout Group are incredible. So much so that I decided to volunteer to be the club secretary. I'm involved with the fundraising so we can subsidise almost all of the costs so it's more accessible for children and families. Together we've raised over £9,000 towards hut improvements. I think that's amazing.
If you've got food, if you've got a roof, and you've got good health, you're on the tip of the top. You smashed it. That's it. Job done. Go out and enjoy. But what next?
Spare change, boss.
Start using the qualities you've got to help those that haven't.
Have to all do our part for everyone, you know?
Man, thank
Have a
you.
good day, boss.
Wait, bro.
Grab them by the hands and lift them up. That's my story and the teachings that come from my faith.
It's all part of our duty.
God bless you, yeah.
God bless.
My passion is fundraising, specifically finding weird and wacky ways to raise money.
Hello, young lady. How many samosas would you
One,
like?
please.
Just the one. What do you think the score's going to be today?
0.
0. No, but it's going to be a draw. No problem.
We came up with Samosa Saturday, which has been going for 5 years now. Every time we raise around £7,000, we put a stall outside the ground and give everybody something to eat with no conditions. You don't even have to donate to us.
Here you go, boss. Thank you, man.
I'm also in the choir, which I love. When the Ukrainian war started, I pulled together the choir to perform in the church hall and we raised £2,000.
If I put my back to the sun, my shadow will be in front of me. If I chase that shadow, I'll never be able to catch it because it will keep moving away from me because the sun's behind me. But if I turn my back on the shadows and look at the sun and think, I just want you, I just want the sun, and I walk towards that energy, all those things in the world start chasing me. They come into my life.
I do lots of things in life which mean a lot to me, but my children are the most important. I've grown so much through having them. They're what keep me going and push me to be a good role model as much as possible.